Good morning, my dear children. Today I am going to start activity sheet 5. This activity sheet 5 is based on two chapters. They are 3.1 God's Greatest Gifts and lesson 3.2 Environmental Pollution. So we had done both the chapters. Now we have to do activity sheet. Now first exercise is given, read these lines. Now, I have to read this line, you have to listen carefully, and after that, we will do question answers related to this paragraph. Now, the pollution of land is due to the increasing quantities of industrial and household waste. Every day, our factories produce new and different kinds of goods for people to buy. The old ones are thrown out with the household rubbish. Burning this pollutes the air, dumping it in rivers and seas pollutes the water, tipping it on land makes an unpleasant sight and also takes up much valuable space. So this paragraph is taken from the chapter Environmental Pollution. Now we have to do the exercise. What is the pollution of land due to? The pollution of land is due to the increasing quantities of industrial and household waste. Second, what do factories produce and why? So what do factories produce? Every day our factories produce new and different kinds of goods for people to buy. Now third, what do people do with their old goods? The old goods are thrown out with the household rubbish. Fourth, what happens when we burn the household rubbish? When we burn the household rubbish, air gets polluted. Now fifth, how do we pollute our rivers and seas? We pollute our rivers and seas by dumping waste in it. Now, 6.1. Why should we tip our household rubbish on land? We should not tip our household rubbish on land because it makes an unpleasant sight. Now, give the opposite of produced and valuable. Now produce means consume and valuable means invaluable. Okay, means opposite of valuable is invaluable. Now we have to move next. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Again sentence is given, so some correction is there. We have to write correct sentence. The Californian pines are oldest trees. So what you have to write, the Californian pines are the oldest trees. So we have to put the here. Trees live longer than any other animal. Trees live longer than any other animals. So here animal is given in the question. We have to write animals. Third one, without trees, no any life would be possible. So no and any will not come together. So what we can write, without trees, no life would be possible. Fourth, the green leaves of trees absorb carbon dioxide. The green leaves of trees absorb carbon dioxide. So what is the changes? Leaf. Here in the question LEAFS given. And what we have to write? Leaves. Fifth, the rings of a tree can serve for a chart of rainfall. The rings of a tree can serve as a chart of rainfall. So in question serve for is given, we have to write serve as. In the place of for, we have to write as. Now 6, man has invented many things to take place of wood. Now man has invented many things in place of wood. So to take is wrong. We have to remove it. To take, we have to write many things in place of would. This exercise finished. Now third one. Rewrite each sentence in the possessive form. Now possessive form, what you have to write, like first is given the roots of trees hold the soil together. Means we have to use by. Possessive means we have to put by and the who is doing the work that comes at last. The soil is held together by the roots of the trees. Second, we need lots of wood for making paper. Lots of wood is needed for making paper by us. So just now here you see we is given. Okay? We need lots of wood. So when we are converting it in passive voice, so whatever the worker means who is doing the work, that names comes at last. First action will come, then the work will come. Here lots of wood, we is changed into us. Okay? Now Tagore started a school named Shanti Niketan. A school named Shanti Niketan was started by Tagore. Now fourth one. We can tell the age of a tree by counting the rings on its trunk. The age of a tree can be told by counting the rings on its trunk. Now fifth one. Nature takes millions of years to form an inch of soil in thickness. Now millions of years are taken to form an inch of soil in thickness by nature. Now move to next. 4 exercise. Join each pair of sentences by using the words in bracket. Now word is given in the bracket and 2 sentences are given. We have to join it. Okay? So first we have to see Tagore started a school. First sentence. He called it Shanti Niketan. Second sentence. Now with the word which we have to join it. Tagore started a school which he called Shanti Niketan. Now second one. Not only but also. So first sentence is given, we value trees for their usefulness. We value trees for their beauty. So how we have to write? We value trees not only for their usefulness but also for their beauty. Now third one, when we have to join, when word we have to use. Columbus landed in America in 1492. These trees were already there. Now when we have to use, so when we will start. When Columbus landed in America in 1492, these trees were already there. Now fourth one, the leaves of trees give out a lot of water vapor. It helps to keep the air cool. Now from which word we have to add this? The leaves of trees give out a lot of water vapor which helps to keep the air cool. Now fifth, men in olden days used wood to cook their food. They used wood to keep themselves warm. So and we have to use. Men in olden days used wood to cook their food and to keep themselves warm. Now, fifth exercise. There is one mistake in each line of the passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given space. Now, underline the mistake. That means some mistake is given in these lines and we have to underline it first, then write it correctly in front of it. The starch producing by the, producing, underline producing, and what will come? Produced by the green leaf is given. Leaf means one leaf, so leaves will come. Green leaves of trees serves as food for animals, but from this, so from will not come. For this, all animal is given, so animals will come, would die from lack of food. Animals get all theirs. Theirs is wrong. Their, their. Food from plants or with eating. With is wrong. Food from plant or by eating animals. That food on plant. That food on plant is wrong. Food will not come. That feed on plants. Okay. Now move to next. Here one and ones is given. So where we have to use one and where we have to ones, use ones, that we have to study. We use one. Here it is given but it is very light. So here is one is written. You can see in your book, and here ones is given. Okay. So we use one means singular and ones plural as pronouns in place of noun. So this sentence you have to keep in your mind, where we are using one or ones, one for singular, ones for plural as a pronoun in the place of noun. Now, A, I need a pen. Have you got? One. One means one pen. I have got this one only, but I need it myself. So, for singular we are using one. Is there a bank near here? Yes, there is bank at the end of the street. So here what you have to write? One. A bank. Could I have those flowers? Here flowers are plural. So which ones? Which ones? Because flowers is asking, flowers S is given. So now we are using ones. O-N-E-S, ones. Okay. The red ones means all the red ones flower that person want. Now complete each sentence with an plus 1 of the following word plus 1. Now, big, new, faster, better, cheaper, old, clean, easier, honest, different. We have to use these words to fill this. Now, this book is too small. I need a big one. This cup is dirty. Can I have a clean one? He is a slow worker. We need a faster one. I want today's newspaper. This is an old one. He is dishonest worker, but I need an honest one. I am going to sell my old car and buy a new one. This camera is very costly. I would like a cheaper one. That's not a very good photograph, but this is a better one. Okay. Now, this exercise is rather difficult. Give the child an easier one. We always go to the same restaurant. Today's let's go to a different one. So here we are using only one, and all the things are used for singular thing. Okay. Now, seventh exercise. A asks B some questions. Use the information in the box to write B's answer. Use one and then bracket not AN in the answer. Okay. Now see. A asks B some questions. Hasn't got a pen, doesn't need a car, hasn't got an umbrella, is going to buy a bicycle, has just had a cup of coffee, has a bicycle without a carrier, there isn't chemist at corner. Now, have you got a bicycle? Question is, have you got a bicycle according to this? No, but I am going to buy one. Can you lend me a pen? I'm sorry, I haven't got one. Is there a chemist near here? Yes, there is one at the corner. Would you like to have a car? No, I don't need one. Can you lend me an umbrella? I'm sorry, but I haven't got one. Would you like a cup of coffee? No, thank you, I have just had one. Do you have a bicycle with carrier? No, I have one without carrier. So here, till this exercise, I am going to end this video. We will continue our activity sheet tomorrow. Okay children, I want all the children to see this video and try to do the exercise with yourself, and afterward you will get the PDF of answers. Okay, I am going to end this video. Thank you children.